came to Snoopy Adventure in Khao Yai. Let's see what this event about. Here's a ticket area, some merchandise. You can buy screenshot, 2 colors. There are some hats as well. Snoopy Adventure. And on. Say hi.
ครบแล้วค่ะ ตรงไปเลี้ยวขวาได้เลยค่ะ
นะคะนี่กระจกอยู่ด้านหน้านี้นะเราก่อนได้เลยค่ะ
This is a sneak peek of what we're gonna see. Everything decorates so nice. Oh, in the Christmas lights, we are moving forward to take a path to the event, I guess. Oh, it's a whole park. Let's see. Wow. So what we have? Snoopy Dream, Woodstock Land, Snoopy River, Snoopy Space, Snoopy Garden, Snoopy Campfire. Wow. Let's go to explore. Here is the first light installation with Snoopy characters. Do you know the name of the Snoopy characters? No, me too. Another light installation for the photo. On your turn, go. Let me see with the action. Woo! Snoopy fan number 1. All right, keep walking. Here's a giant nest. Guess for some characters of Snoopy. We have to walk a lot. It's like there is no shortcuts for event. One of the spots from the map. So here we have Snoopy installation. Shooting each other. My gosh, what is this old uncle trying to do? Keep walking.
Do you like it?
Yeah, it's quite fun. Although it's usually quite hot in Thailand during night, in December and January, temperature can drop dramatically. Right now, we are in Khao Yai, December, the end of December, Christmas night, and it's plus 18.
Yes.
Which is usually, let's say, plus 25 at night. Big difference. So we actually feel freeze. Very
so
cold.
cold.
Keep on going.
Oh, so cute.
So we came from the camping site to the river side. This is nice. I think this is my favorite so far. What do you think?
Yeah, very cool.
Such a cute installation. The fork and all the circles with the neon. Ooh, and we can fish too. Keep on going. This look cool. We're almost there. Guess this is the main reason we come. have area for dinner, so people can come and listen to jazz music as well as to have a meal with some wine. Look lovely. Even though it looks like you have to be a Snoopy fan to enjoy this art installation, I feel like everyone can just come and chill. It's quite a nice place to spend an evening.
Walking in no winter wonderland, got away. He said, "Are you married? We said no, man."
By the way, the shape of this structure is laying down Snoopy, which you can see inside. It's him, the original shape, and then this is what they create on top of it.
Did you recognize that Snoopy?
Yeah, I just say actually only for the video.
I didn't realize it.
On and I was just talking about if we watch Snoopy, and I say that when I was a child, I actually did watch a few episodes or seasons, and On say he haven't watched ever, right? And this is On taking photo of PM and having a sold out shop. Oh, everyone can see your butt. There is a big audience for your butt. Everyone came to see. What a big ass. So this was our Snoopy adventure in Khao Yai. Very chilling and nice. Did you enjoy?
Yeah, of course. It's very cute.
Yeah, very cute event, and it was quite chilling. And when I'm saying chilling, it's not just relaxing but also cold, which is new experience for us. So I think it would be nice for everyone to come at least once in December in Khao Yai and look at all these festivals and the cute events. Subscribe to watch more of our videos in Thailand.